How to remove background noise inside Davinci Resolve. Right now I have pre-recorded my audio on Davinci Resolve. I'm in the Fairlight tab and now I'm gonna preview. This is how you can remove your background audio inside Davinci Resolve. As you can tell, there's a little bit of background noise right in the beginning and also in between the sentences that I'm saying. The background noise that I want to remove is on audio channel number 1, so we're gonna go on the mixer audio channel number 1, select the plus sign next to effects, highlight restoration and select noise reduction. This is the panel that we're gonna be working with in order to remove the background noise. From this button you can enable and disable the background noise. So at first we're gonna take a look at our automated way of removing the background noise, and this is by letting Davinci Resolve deciding what is a background noise, and this is by turning on the auto speech mode. This is how you can remove your background audio inside Davinci. As you can see, our first method, by letting Davinci Resolve decide what is a background noise, it did a pretty good job. And for some cases this might be enough. If not, you can check out our second method right here. But before that, if you want to see what noise is removed, you can click on this one and preview. What you witnessed now was just the noise that was removed by Davinci Resolve. Now I'm gonna uncheck this box right here and I'm gonna reset everything by selecting this icon. Now it's time to take a look at our second method, and this is the one that I'm personally using every time. And you may wonder why there's a huge gapping in the beginning before I start talking, and this is on purpose. I'm going to explain that in a second. I'm gonna preview the raw footage now. You can clearly hear there's a noise in the beginning, and now we're turning on the noise reduction and we're highlighting the manual button right here, and then we're clicking on learn, and now we're going to play this silent part of the video which is left on purpose and let Davinci Resolve know which noise we want to remove from the video. I'm gonna pause it right here just before I start talking, and now everything in between the beginning and the part where I paused it will have no noise. This is how you can remove your background audio inside Davinci Resolve. Now let's listen just the noise that we have removed. And now for the final, let's preview everything without the noise reduction. This is how you can remove your background audio inside Davinci Resolve. Now let's turn on noise reduction. This is how you can remove your background audio inside Davinci Resolve. Also, you can check out this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.